Hi, in this video I'm going to speak about a very interesting company, a very silent company, not attracting much of speculators here, but definitely it's a good investment opportunity which we feel. Vikas Nigam Limited will grow tremendously going forward. This is a mini Ratna company promoted by government having 87% holding. Even the High Speed Rail Corporation of India is a subsidiary of Rail Vikas Nigam Limited. This is a stock which is listed on NSE in April 2019. Now, Rail Vikas Nigam Limited is involved in planning, development, mobilization of resources and execution of projects on fast track. All these projects are assigned to them by Ministry of Railways, state governments, central ministries and even public sector enterprises. All the budget allocations help this particular company to spend and complete these projects. Projects are also funded by various institutions. We are talking about Rail Vikas Nigam Limited, whose market cap currently is 4,691 crores. It's a very good market cap. So that puts it in a small cap. Doesn't matter. If you see the current price around 22 rupees and whereas the book value is also almost same. A stock which is showing a return on equity of around 17% with a low PE of price to earning of around 6 is a good investment opportunity is what we see. Now even if you see the sales growth, it's growing around 30% per annum. Not only the sales, even the profit growth is also very good at 18% per annum. It has got a face value of around 10 rupees. Now if you see the sales from the day it started, it's been consistently showing a good improvement in the sales. Along with the sales growth, we can also see the operating profit is also growing in line with the sales. That's a very good sign. Now if you see the net profit also, there has been a consistent growth from 337 crores to 705 crores in a span of just 5 years. Now even the earnings per share, which all we investors would like to have such information or performance, if you see this company is growing very well. If you see the EPS, which was around 1.56 in 2015, is around 3.38 today. So earnings per share is very important for all of us, because if we want some dividends from the company, it has to be given from earnings per share. If earnings per share is not rising, it may not be interesting for all of us, because the company will not be able to afford to give any dividends or share from the profit. Unless and until earnings are not there, no investor will get attracted with such companies. So this company has got a very good earnings per share growth, consistently growing every year. Even the profits from the operations has been on a good rise, except a one particular year where it has been slightly lower. Doesn't matter, but if you see the consistency in the growth in the profit in the span of just 5 years, it's been very interesting, right? Now when we see the performance of the stock price of the company, it's been just moving between around 20-22 on the bottom side and 30 to 29 on the upper side, right? Now this puts the stock in a more stable range. Now it has listed here around 19 rupees here and been moving up to 30, and then now the stock is consistently consolidating. But whenever the stock is selling off, you could see there are not much of volumes. That means there's not much interest among people to sell this particular security. And when it is going to the lower levels, if you could see the volumes had been interesting, right? So whenever the stock goes down, people are interested and coming forward more to buy this particular security and taking to the new high. Even if you try to invest around this area between some 19 to 23 rupees, if you even get 29 to 30 rupees, which is all-time high in the next few days or few months, it's going to be a 20% return to the investors, right? And the fundamentals of the company is doing well. So there is a scope that the security can reach up to at least all-time high levels, and high-speed rail projects which are in limelight, and there's a lot of budget allocations, a lot of focus on railway infrastructure, this company is sure to have a good projects and good executions and good profits going forward. So this seems to be a good investment opportunity, and even if you see the book value, it's around 19 to 20 rupees, which is very near to the book value we are trying to invest, right? So it seems to be a good opportunity for all of us. Now, high-speed rail projects is definitely a positive. The budget allocations and the focus by government is an interesting factor. This is not a recommendation to buy. Facts are being presented to you to make your own investment decision on your own analysis. Please do your own analysis and make an investment. I have an investment in this particular stock. I thank you everyone for spending time on my report, on my video. This is Vinod Kumar, SEBI Research Analyst, signing off. Thank you.